This is a complete line 60TPH Kaolin clay washing plant, including a feeder, belt conveyor, spiral washer, attrition scrubber, trommel screen, wheel washer, dewatering screen, hydrocyclone, thickener, and filter press. Flowchart explanation. 1. Use a forklift or excavator to feed the raw materials to the hopper. Through an electromagnetic vibrating feeder evenly feed the raw materials to the belt conveyor, and the belt conveyor will send the raw materials to the spiral washer. The function of the spiral washer is to disperse, stir and clean the agglomerated kaolin clay. 2. Enter the attrition scrubber for further cleaning. The function of the attrition scrubber is to better rub and fall off the sticky slime from the kaolin. 3. After washing by the attrition scrubber, then enter the trommel screen to sieve out big waste stones which are sent to far place by belt conveyor, and the material under the screen enters the double spiral sand washer. 4. The overflow of the first stage of the double spiral sand washing machine is kaolin concentrate, the underflow goes to the second stage of the spiral sand washer for again washing, and the overflow of the second stage is kaolin concentrate, and the underflow goes to the wheel sand washer. 5. The overflow from the wheel sand washer is the concentrate, the underflow goes to the dewatering screen. 6. The under-screen materials of the first dewatering screen are the kaolin concentrate, the over-screen materials go to the second dewatering screen for again dehydration, and the over-screen materials of the second dewatering screen are coarse particles waste. Use a belt conveyor to send away, under the sieve is the concentrate. Kaolin concentrate under the screen of 2 dewatering screens into number 2 pond. Kaolin concentrate from the overflows of the 2 spiral sand washers and wheel sand washer is into the number 1 pool. 7. Use a slurry pump to send number 1 pond concentrate into the number 1 cyclone group, and the overflow of the cyclone group is kaolin concentrate, and underflow flows to the dewatering screen for dehydration. And under the screen of the dewatering screen is a concentrate which goes into the number 2 pond. Over-screen materials are medium particles waste, which is transported away with a belt conveyor. The under-screen concentrates of 4 dewatering screens are all in the number 2 pond, and they are pumped to the number 2 cyclone group with a slurry pump. The underflow of the number 2 cyclone group goes to the dewatering screen, and the overflow is kaolin concentrate. 8. Finally, the overflow of the 2 cyclone groups, kaolin concentrate, will flow to the final kaolin concentrate pool. 9. Use a slurry pump to send kaolin concentrate into thickener for concentration, then through slurry pump send to filter press for dehydration, finally get the dry kaolin concentrate without water.